if you want to share out your files publicly, then what you can actually do is you can create a file share link, either for a single file or an entire folder, so that anyone with the link will be able to view and access the files. So for example, if I were to go around into the images folder right here, you can see that I have an image, and if I want to share this particular image, then I can right click on it and then click on share right here to get the share options. I can also go around over here and click on share over here on the top, and you can see that a share link is created over here. But you can see that the share link says anyone with the link can edit. But if I want to change the permission to anyone with the link can view, then I can simply click on it, and then I can go around and change the can edit to can view right here and press apply right here. So now anyone with this particular link, I just copied this, will be able to view, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go around onto another browser of mine, and let me just paste and access this particular link, and let's see what happens. So you can see that I can access out this file right here. I can download it, I can access it, but I cannot edit this. So let's just go around and share out a folder right here. So let's say I want to go around and share the entire images folder. Then I can right click right here, and then I can click on share over here. And once I do that, you can see it says anyone with the link can edit. So let me just leave it as it is and copy this out right here. And if I were to copy this and access out that particular link, so if I were to go around and access out that particular link, then you can see that this is what you have. Let me just click on no thanks right here. You can see that I have access to these files, plus I can actually go around and then edit this. So I can go around and even delete this right here. I can open this in text editor and edit it. I can go around edit this image over here as I like, and then re-upload it into the folder as well. So I get all of the permissions right here. But let me just go around over here and change out the permissions. So let me just go around and click on share right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the link right here from edit to view only and click on apply. So once I do that, if I were to access the link again, so let's just go around and refresh out. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around over here. Let me just go around and access out that particular link, which I just have the view. Then you can see that this is what you have. You cannot actually go around and then edit this in text editor anymore. You can just go around and view these out right here, and then not make any changes to it. And that is how you can go ahead and then create a file share link to share out files or folders from Microsoft OneDrive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.